Hello everyone, let us work out these trigonometric ratios. We have sine A, cosine A, tan A, sine B, cosine B, and tan B. So let's start with angle A. We have a right angle triangle in front of us, and we are standing by angle A, and we are utilizing the formula sine is equal to the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, HYP for short. So the sine of A will be equal to the opposite side, which is the side furthest away, BC. So we have the length BC divided by the hypotenuse, HYP, which is the longest side. It is always the longest side, which is 5 centimeters, or AB. We now substitute the values, so we have sine A being 3 divided by 5, okay, which is 0.6. This is our answer for sine A. Let's do cosine A now. So we know that cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse, ADJ divided by the length of the hypotenuse, HYP for short. So let's stand where A is by angle A and look for the adjacent side. So the adjacent side is the side which is closer to angle A, excluding the hypotenuse, which is constantly 5 centimeters. So the adjacent will be AC, and I will divide that by the hypotenuse, which is AB. The hypotenuse never changes. So the cosine of A will be the length AC, which is 4 centimeters, so that's 4 divided by the length of the hypotenuse, which is 5, and we get 0.8. Let us work out tangent of A now, tan A. So we are standing by angle A, and we are using the formula opposite divided by adjacent. So the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So the side opposite the angle A is BC. So we have BC divided by the adjacent side, which we found to be AC. We now substitute the lengths of the side. So we will have BC being 3 divided by the adjacent, which is 4, and that will give us 0.75, which is the tan of A. So let's move on to angle B. So we have sine B, again opposite of our hypotenuse. We are standing by angle B. Now the opposite side has changed to AC, which is the side facing angle B, or the side that is furthest away from angle B. So this will be AC divided by our hypotenuse, which never changes, which is AB. This is our longest side, AB. We substitute the values, so now we have AC being 4 divided by AB, which is 5, and we get it to be 0.8. So as you can see here, the cosine of A is equal to the sine of B. They are both 0.8. Let's move on to cosine of B, angle B. Standing by angle B, we are using the formula adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The adjacent side is now BC. Since this is nearest to angle B, we are excluding the hypotenuse. So the adjacent will be BC, and we are divided by the hypotenuse, which is AB. So we end up getting 3 divided by 5, which is 0.6. And lastly, tan of B, standing where angle B is, we are looking for the opposite side. We are using opposite divided by adjacent side. So the side opposite to B is AC. So we write AC divided by the adjacent side, which is BC. We now substitute the numbers, the lengths of the sides. AC is 4 divided by BC, which is 3. Okay, so this is 1.333 written to 3 decimal places, or 1 1/3. So these are our answers. Until next time, have a good day.